Hi everyone, today we are going to show you another awesome and very simple shifty tip. Would you like to keep your cutting board in a perfect shape for decades? The things you need: oil and paper towels. Pour a little oil into the cutting board and spread the oil around. This way the whole surface will be covered equally with the oil. Then leave it on for a few hours and following that wipe the remaining oil. Repeat it in every 2-3 months for the mentioned result.
That's the shifty way.
If you like this video, you might be interested in some other stuff. Click to watch these awesome tips as well. If you don't want to miss our new videos on every Thursday, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.